Rethink Solutions here. All product links and sweepstake offers can be found in the comments and description below. Today we're going to be going over the top 5 best drones. The items listed are not in any particular order. All of them work great. Let's go. Number 1, we have the TIZZYTOY drone. First and foremost, the TIZZYTOY drone price point is undoubtedly one of its strongest selling points. For those looking to dip their toes into a world of drones without breaking the bank, this is a viable option. The drone comes with a decent set of features for its price range, including a built-in camera, altitude hold, and headless mode. Setting up the TIZZYTOY drone is relatively straightforward, even for those with little or no drone flying experience. The included user manual provides clear instructions, and the controls are intuitive enough for beginners to grasp quickly. The drone's compact and lightweight design also make it easy to transport, which is a definite plus for outdoor enthusiasts. In conclusion, the TIZZYTOY drone offers an affordable entry point for those who want to get into the world of drones, which make it an attractive option for beginners or casual users. It's very easy to set up and has some useful features. However, the drone's short flight time and the camera quality could be a bit better, but it's still fantastic. And the restricted range gives it a bit of a drawback, but if you're looking for a drone to experiment with and it's cheap to give it a first try, definitely this is a fantastic one to choose. The TIZZYTOY does have some significant limitations that prevent it from truly excelling. One of the notable downsides is its flight time. The battery life on the drone is a little short as well, only offering around 5 to 7 minutes of flight time on full charge. All in all, it's still an extremely budget-friendly drone that's very easy to set up and use, and if you want to try it out, go get it. Number 2 on the list, we have the POTENSIC Dreamer. One of the standout features of the POTENSIC Dreamer is its camera quality. Equipped with the 4K Ultra HD camera, this drone captures stunning aerial footage and delivers crisp high-resolution images. The camera is mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring stable and smooth shots even during dynamic flights. Whether you're a hobbyist or a content creator, the Dreamer's camera capabilities will exceed your expectations. The flight performance of the POTENSIC Dreamer is equally impressive. With its powerful brushless motors, the drone exhibits excellent stability, responsiveness, and maneuverability. It can reach up to speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, allowing for thrilling and dynamic flights. The Dreamer also features GPS and optical flow sensors, enabling precise positioning and accurate hovering, even in challenging environments. One of the standout features as well is it also has a set of intelligent flight modes. The drone offers features like Follow Me mode, where it automatically tracks and captures your movements, and as well as Waypoint mode, where you can pre-program the drone in order to take a set of photography shots that you want. The remote controller provided with the Dreamer is ergonomic and intuitive, providing a comfortable and responsive flying experience. It features a built-in 5.5-inch 1080p LCD screen, eliminating the need for a smartphone or tablet for real-time video transmission. The controller's interface is user-friendly, and it offers convenient access to various settings and flight modes. Battery life is always a critical consideration for drones, and the POTENSIC Dreamer doesn't disappoint. With its high-capacity 3000 mAh battery, the drone offers a respectable flight time of up to 28 minutes on a single charge. All in all, this drone is a great recommendation, won't break the bank, has a 4K camera, go get it. Number 3, we have the POTENSIC Atom SE. The Atom SE is a compact and capable mini drone that offers a fun and accessible flying experience for beginners and hobbyists. With its feature-packed design and user-friendly controls, this drone delivers impressive performance in a small package. One of the standout features is its size. Measuring just a few inches in length and width, this mini drone is incredibly portable and can be easily carried in your pocket or backpack. Despite its compact form factor, the Atom SE doesn't compromise on performance or features. The flight performance of the Atom SE is remarkably stable and responsive. It utilizes altitude hold technology, which allows the drone to maintain steady position in the air without constant manual adjustments. This feature is particularly beneficial for beginners as it helps them focus on capturing footage or exploring their surroundings rather than worrying about flight control. The Atom SE is equipped with a high-definition camera that captures decent quality photos and videos. While it may not offer the 4K resolution like high-end models, the footage it produces is sharp and vibrant, making it suitable for sharing on social media or personal enjoyment. The camera can be adjusted remotely as well, enabling you to capture shots from different angles. It also comes with an intuitive control system. It comes with a dedicated remote controller as well that offers precise and responsive control over the drone's movements. The controller's design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold, making it easier for extended flying sessions. Additionally, this phone supports smartphone integration, allowing you to connect your device and view real-time footage through the POTENSIC app. The Atom SE features a range of intelligent flight modes, and the battery life is absolutely fantastic. This is a highly recommended drone. Go get it. The only tiny drawback that it comes with is its limited range. It has a control distance of about 100 meters, but in conclusion, it's still fantastic, and it's very impressive for its size. Definitely packs a punch, and highly recommended. Number 4, we have the Holy Stone GPS drone. The Holy Stone GPS drone is a reliable and feature-rich aerial companion that offers a seamless flying experience for enthusiasts and photography enthusiasts alike. With its advanced GPS navigation system and a range of intelligent flight modes, this drone provides impressive performance and precise control. The Holy Stone also comes with an array of flight assistance capabilities. The integrated GPS module enables accurate positioning, allowing the drone to hover steadily in place and maintain a stable flight, even in windy conditions. This feature is particularly beneficial for capturing smooth and professional quality aerial footage. The drone's camera quality is another notable aspect of the Holy Stone. Equipped with a high-definition camera, it captures stunning 1080p videos and photos. The camera's adjustable tilt angle provides flexibility in capturing different perspectives and angles, adding creativity to your angle shots. The footage is vibrant and detailed, making it suitable for professional use or sharing on social media. Precise navigation is a strong suit on the Holy Stone. With its intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint, and Orbit modes, you can effortlessly capture dynamic shots with ease. The Holy Stone offers an intuitive and user-friendly control system as well. The included remote controller is ergonomic and comfortable to hold, providing responsive control over the drone's movements. Additionally, the drone supports smartphone integration, allowing you to connect your device and access real-time video transmission through the dedicated app. This provides a convenient and immersive flying experience with live feedback from the drone's camera. Battery life could be a crucial consideration for any drone, and the Holy Stone delivers. With its high-capacity battery, it offers approximately 15 to 20 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Number 5, we have the Cyma X500 4K drone. The X500 is an affordable entry-level drone that aims to cater to beginners and casual users interested in aerial photography. While it offers some commendable features for its price range, it comes with a tiny bit of limitations that potential buyers can consider. One of the highlights of this drone is its 4K camera, which captures decent quality aerial footage and still images. The camera is mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, providing stability and smoothness to the footage, resulting in a more professional look. While the image quality may not be on par with the higher-end drones, it offers satisfactory results for casual photography and videography, for social media users or personal users. The drone's flight performance is very stable, thanks to its GPS-assisted hover feature and altitude hold mode. These features help maintain a steady position in the air, allowing for smoother shots and easier control. Additionally, the X500 comes equipped with headless mode, which is helpful for beginners, as it eliminates the need to worry about the drone's orientation during flight. The X500 has a modular battery design, allowing for convenient and quick battery swaps. With a flight time of around 15 minutes, the drone offers a decent duration for capturing footage and exploring the skies. However, it's advisable to consider purchasing spare batteries to expand your flight sessions. One significant drawback of it is its limited range. It comes with a distance of about 150 meters, which is a little bit short compared to the advanced models, but it still works fantastic. Furthermore, the build quality is very adequate. It's made primarily of plastic, and it's a little susceptible to damage, but it can definitely take some hits. The controller provided with it is very straightforward to use, featuring a simple layout and intuitive controls. It also has a built-in smartphone holder, allowing you to mount your device and view a live feed of the drone's camera during flight sessions. All in all, the X500 is an extremely fantastic choice for 4K drones, and it's definitely a great pickup. Go get it, link in description. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been Rethink Solutions. All product links and sweepstake offers can be found within the description and comment section below. Subscribe. See you guys later.